The historic moment that led to our ancestors adding green beans to their edible veggie lists may have been happenstance, but at Good Eetens Produce Farm in northwest Iowa, green beans were a deliberate addition to a business model that started with fruit.
Well, Michael started Good Eatens with the strawberry patch in about 2009.
Yep.
And that's the year that we met. And the next year we were married in 2010, and we started the vegetable part of the farm in 2011. And it's gradually been growing and growing and growing.
And the strawberry patch has gotten smaller and smaller and smaller.
Growing vegetables and working as a team to harvest healthy food is more than a passion for the Eatens. It's setting them up for a bright future.
This is a way of moving from the jobs we used to have to gardening full-time.
We both love being outdoors and gardening, and we believe in eating healthy, and we want to promote that kind of lifestyle. So yeah, this is our retirement job. When we retire, when we quit our other jobs.
Experimenting with different vegetables is just one of the joys of produce farming for this energetic couple.
Where do you want to start?
Yeah, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, green beans, peas, broccoli, cabbage, onions, kohlrabi beets, whole sweet corn, yeah. Just almost anything. We try a little bit of everything.
I think the list is up to about 64 different fruits and vegetables.
More than that.
More
like,
than that?
I think more like 90, yeah.
They also take pleasure in getting their vegetables out to customers in a variety of ways.
We have a CSA, and this year we have 13 members, and we go to 3 different farmers markets in 3 different towns in the area. And if anybody wants to stop at the farm and buy something, that's fine too. But yeah, these are beautiful.
Even though several varieties of green beans, both pole and bush styles, can be grown in Iowa, the Eatens stick with what works for their northwest Iowa soil, the jade bean.
We just had a customer come to market this week and ask us what kind we grow. She says, oh, your beans are so good. And so we stick with jade.
Using greenhouses, drip irrigation, and clever planting schedules, Darla and Michael are able to spread out the green bean love.
We basically have 3 different plantings of beans. We plant the beans early in the greenhouse so we can get early beans to market. And then here at this farm, we plant the 2nd wave. And then outside at the Everly farm, we plant the 3rd wave so we can have kind of a steady supply.
Michael and Darla adore being inventive, working outdoors,
Oh, these are beauties.
and bringing healthy food to their surrounding communities.
Well, when you can take your passion and get paid for it, and it's not big bucks, but it's enough to make a good living in northwest Iowa.
And we're doing what we love. We're doing what we love, so we don't even think of it as work. And it's fun.